حمدا لربي والصلاة لأحمدي من قد دعوت إلى الهدى.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الأمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم؟ بارك الله فيكم. We are continuing with al-huruf bil-fath. So Arabic letters with fatha vowel sound. So we have talked about sha. So this is sod, but when we add fatha to give us so without fatha, without this sign on it, it is sod. But when we add it to give us so this is, sorry, this one is dot without fatha, dot. When we add fatha, dot, and this is dot. This one is the. This is the sound that Igbo used to bring. So the next letter is go. Without fatha sign on it, give us going. Right, but whenever we put fatha, give us go, and this is fa. Without fatha, we give us fa, but whenever we put it, fa. So this is ko. Without fatha, we pronounce qaf. But when you put fatha, you give us ko. So this is ka. Have you seen it? So this is ka that you used to put like this. But because they want to start it with a word, you have to change it to this. Is that clear? So this is ka, and this is lam with fatha sign or fatha vowel sign. La. So this is ma. And the last four, this is na. Noon with fatha give us na, and this is ha, and this one is wa. You know, before fatha it is wow, but this one that's what wa, and this is one is ya. Before fatha it is ya, but now it is ya. So now let's pronounce it once again. It says so. Do. Go. Fa. Po. Ka. La. Ma. Na. Ha. Wa. And this is ja. So now let's pronounce this from top. So with these, we believe that any Arabic letter that has fatha sign, you can pronounce it correctly without any mistake. So let's go. This is a. ba. Oh, sorry. Okay. Fa, fa, ja. Thank you. I have to close the window. The video. Ha, kha, da, za, ro, za, sa, sha, so, do, to, zo, a, go, go, fa, ق ك لا ما. And the last says na ha wa ya. So like that we finish. So the last lesson we are going to pronounce some Quran words that has Fatha sign so that it can be useful knowledge for us. We ask Almighty Allah to make it the beneficial for us in this world and in the after. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.